Ever found yourself staring at your Ellipal wallet, wondering if you're running the latest and greatest version of the app? In the fast-paced world of crypto, staying updated isn't just about new features, it's about crucial security enhancements, bug fixes, and ensuring your wallet is compatible with the latest blockchain developments. You wouldn't want to miss out on improved transaction speeds or support for a new token, right? More importantly, outdated software can sometimes leave you vulnerable to potential risks. That's why today, we're diving deep into something vital for every Ellipal user: how to easily and efficiently update your Ellipal wallet app. This isn't just a technical walkthrough, it's about empowering you to keep your digital assets as secure and accessible as possible. We'll cover the simplest method first, which most of you will likely use, and then touch on alternatives for those rare instances where the direct approach isn't working. The primary and most straightforward way to update your Ellipal app is directly within the app itself. Ellipal has designed their ecosystem to be user-friendly, and updates are no exception. Think of it like updating any other app on your smartphone. It's designed to be intuitive. To begin, unlock your Ellipal app on your smartphone. Once you're in, navigate to the My section. This is usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen, often represented by a profile icon or similar. Tap on My, and a new menu will appear with various settings and information. Look for About Us and give that a tap. Here's where the magic happens. If a new version of the app is available, you'll see a clear notification, often something like New Version Detected. This is your cue. Simply tap on Update to New Version. The app will then guide you through the download and installation process, just like any other App Store update. It's usually a quick and seamless experience, requiring you to confirm the update and perhaps wait a moment or two for it to complete. Once finished, the app will typically restart, and you'll be running on the latest version. Now, what if, for some reason, the in-app update isn't appearing or is encountering issues? While rare, it can happen. In such cases, your next best bet is to go directly to the source, the official Ellipal website. On the Ellipal website, you'll find a dedicated section for downloads and updates. You can search for Ellipal app in your device's App Store, Google Play Store for Android, or Apple App Store for iOS, and ensure you're downloading the official application. Always be cautious and only download from trusted sources to avoid phishing scams or malicious software. A quick search for Ellipal official website will lead you to their legitimate site. Once there, locate the download links for the app. Downloading and installing it from here will ensure you get the most current version. Remember to delete any old, potentially corrupted versions of the app before installing a fresh one from the official site. Keeping your Ellipal app updated is a small but mighty step in maintaining the integrity and security of your cryptocurrency holdings. It's an essential part of responsible crypto management. By following these simple steps, you ensure you're always benefiting from the latest features, security patches, and overall performance improvements. Don't leave your crypto journey to chance. Stay informed and stay updated. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.